How to get $150 Uber promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you will find the search box. Type in uber.com, then search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Uber. Now you can log into your account, book ride for yourself, and while you proceed to checkout, you'll find the section of promo code. Over there, you can type in the code, and with that, you'll get the discount. But how can you get Uber promo code? For that, open a new tab, then type in Uber promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Uber. So go ahead and open any of these. For this video, I will be using this one, Grab On. Now over here, you're going to find amazing deals and offers. You can see that 25% off, 30% off, $10 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to use. All you have to do is go ahead and click on it. So here's the code. You can copy the code, click on Go to Uber site. Now you can log into your account, request a ride. And while you confirm your ride, type in the code. With that, you will get the discount. Also, you can try out all the offers. In this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Also, make sure to check out this website, as this website will also provide you working promo code for Uber. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.